Hey guys, how's it going? So today I thought I'd teach a fun tutorial on how to make an air plant holder. If you don't know what an air plant is, this is what they look like. You can find them at local markets, sometimes at farmers markets. They're really easy to take care of because you really don't have to water them that much. You don't have to plant them in soil. So the planter that I'm gonna be making is actually a little whale, and the air plant will be the water coming out of the whale. What you're gonna need in today's tutorial are the following. You're going to need Sculpty Polymer Clay, paintbrush, toothpick, acrylic paint, and an oven. So if you're interested in this tutorial, keep on watching. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So with my polymer clay, I'm gonna take a little chunk of it and I'm gonna roll it into a ball. This is going to be the whale's body. Then I'm gonna take the end of the body and I'm gonna kind of make it into a point. This is where the tail is going to be. And I'm gonna keep pinching it till it's flat. And then I'm gonna indent in the middle, make one indent in the middle, and then I'm just gonna squish it out. And this is going to be the tail of the whale. So once I have the shape of the whale done, I'm going to see how big my plant is. So my plant is roughly this big. I'm going to take the end of my paintbrush and I'm just going to make a hole with it. Now I can add more clay. And I'm gonna make the little eyes. I'm gonna add the details. So I'm gonna have a little ball. I'm gonna stick it on one side of the whale. Take another little ball. Stick it on the opposite end. And now the little whale has eyes. I'm gonna give my whale a little mouth. Then take my toothpick. And I'm just going to make a little hole with it. So I kind of want my whale to be spotted, so I'm going to make little holes. So once you finish your little whale and you're satisfied with the design, you're going to stick it in the oven for 15 minutes at 275 degrees. So now that my whale has been baked in the oven, it's nice and hard, and you can go ahead and paint it however you would like. I usually paint the overall body first and then I'll add in details on top. The cool thing about acrylic is you can always layer on top and cover the color below. So here is the final product. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and have fun making your own DIY plant holder. This little whale is adorable. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And on Instagram, Facebook, Steam It, my handle is Karen Sue Studios. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!